Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we will be looking at two different scenarios for the BTC and comparing them, which one of them has a higher chance to play with. And we'll be wrapping up this video by looking at Ethereum price action. If that sounds interesting, please grab a tea or a coffee and enjoy the video. By the way, don't forget to smash the like button to help the YouTube algorithm, and of course subscribe to my channel to get updated daily. Let's move on to the chart. Since yesterday, on the lower time frame, 1 hour, I've been following this triangle, and most likely I was just expecting to go higher. However, there was if we look into a volume, there was no enough volume that you can see. It's just, it really isn't enough. It was decreasing, but it may appear, so that's not an issue. It was anyway. Lower time frame, on the lower time frame, we've got resistance actually in this area, 19,750 and 800. So yeah, and it was actually consolidated as expected. It broke up. So let me get rid of this trend line. I'm going to take your attention, grab your attention on the higher time frame, 4 hours. I'm gonna get rid of the volume. And in this pattern, again, in the first video, it just the voice was a issue. I'm sorry about that. So you remember that. We had a double top we were expecting, and this double top is literally, we could start even from here. How we're going to play out. It's an M shape as long as we break this neckline. I'm going to put it for now here. Oops. So I'll just put it back. So yeah, that's going to be our neckline. As long as we'll break it. This. So we are actually right now in here. But to play that pattern, we should break this level 16.5, and as long if we're going to break, so our target zone, which was below, then that, as I expected, you see, it's just coming exactly major support number 2, and we will be expecting 15,000 and below. We will see how it goes. So yeah, once we cleared up actually this, let's move on to something interesting that I started seeing last, I think, a couple of hours ago. However, I also updated on my Twitter channel. If you're interested, sometimes I just update over there. You can follow me at Twitter, CryptoMagnate8. So this chart actually I followed, but let's go through to it, and I'll be explaining. It's just like, you can see we've got, I explained just now, under 4 hours double top. However, I can also see something different in here. You will see it's just matching nearly our first target zone here. For target zones are, don't need that. And let's take it off. You see how the the median line was playing perfectly as a resistance. Gonna get rid of this parallel channel, and from here we started left head, the left shoulder, sorry, and then we've got head over here, and then right shoulder. It's just very fascinating. If we're going to look into the target, how we're going to get the target, it will take from the neckline all the way up to the bottom, and if we're going to break it actually from here, yeah, this is going to be our target zone 2, which is 23,400. And why did I put target zone here? It's going to be 20,750 and 21,000 area, because we've got this parallel channel. You see, it's just playing out, trying to go up we will see how it plays out, as long as we're going to break above 19,750, or I would say 950 even, 950. And we've got a first target zone, and then after that we might follow the second one if this inverse head and shoulder pattern plays out. Most interestingly, to take this as a target, I've got a fib level where I'm going to take it literally from here where it just started. I saved it actually here because the other lines are lined up. So I took it from here. Now you can see I'm going to take it off the parallel channel, we don't need it, and head and shoulder, we don't need it. So you can see everything is just started from here. I've got beautiful rejection, and again 382, came back, retest all the way up. With this double top, we came 382 and we're heading back. However, if we're going to look at the target, actually we have 168 confluencing literally with our second target. Let's see how it plays out. This is what I'm expecting from BTC. Two different scenarios, so two different entries for the bullish as well as bearish, and you know want to enter to which one. Just play the breakout. Don't get FOMO, because we are in a psychological level and market will be always there. No need to rush into this trade. Okay, gonna move on to the next chart, Ethereum USD. On the lower time frame, that I updated, you can see just invalidation. We'll see how it plays out, whether it's going to give a long or short. This is lower time support and resistance. It was, as you can see, we've been following since yesterday. It came, retested, it was in here. As I expected, we were actually consolidated and we broke it. Now we're on the resistance line. However, I'm going to show something different. Under a higher time frame, what I'm seeing actually here is, I'm going to take it from here, the way here, cap and handle. Now you will be shocked actually with this. We're going to put it here from there, and this is going to be our cap and handle. However, to get it, that's going to be educational as well. Just, it's not really hard stuff, to be honest. We're going to get from the top. I'm not getting from the wicks, yeah? This is highest wick, this is the lowest one, but I'm going to take from the body. So, not to the wick, just around here, it's more than enough. And this is going to be our invalidation, so as long as we break this level, yeah? So, guess what? It's just matching our target level. So, literally, because of the, the bit wick, I didn't take full wick. If you're going to take just $10 over here, exactly 750, 760 zone. But I actually published a video yesterday about this target zone. However, I just figured it out this today. And one more interesting thing is I'm going to show you. This chart has been published on 25th, I believe, of November, yeah? And you see, I took it all on a weekly time frame, all the way back to the down. Guess what? 50 level also matching $760. How cool is this? So I've mentioned that 25th of November ETH, as we can see, Ethereum is in a high time frame weekly resistance zone, which was in here, about 600, 620, that zone. If we manage close above the level, next target price will be 760.5 fib level. If we fail to do so, we've got some other levels. If that sounds interesting, again, I'm reminding you, sometimes I'll be on Twitter posting firstly, and then maybe YouTube a bit later on. So follow me at CryptoMagnate8 on Twitter. And we might have a, let me check. Oh yeah, by the way, actually, I've got a parallel channel here as well that you can see. Let me get rid of them. parallel channel, you can see it. Yeah, once we're going to break, we kind of broke the parallel channel now. Once we break that, you can see breaking the parallel channel, coming retesting this invalidation level, which will give us a long, as well as just breaking this parallel channel, and we will be heading up. So you can see from right midline we got rejected. Thank you very much for your time. If you liked this video, I appreciate for your likes and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.